Imagine you're stargazing on a clear night, and suddenly, one of the stars just disappears, then another, and another. This isn't a magic trick. This is the first sign that something terrifying and unstoppable has entered our cosmic neighborhood, a black hole. What would really happen if a black hole entered our solar system? Forget what you've seen in the movies. The reality is far stranger and much more frightening. First, let's get one thing straight. We probably wouldn't see it coming. Black holes are, by definition, black. They don't emit light. Our first clue would be its immense gravity warping everything around it. Astronomers would notice distant stars behaving erratically, their light bending as if through a distorted lens. This phenomenon, called gravitational lensing, would be our silent, ominous alarm bell. The size of the black hole matters a lot. Let's start small. With a stellar mass black hole, maybe a few times the mass of our Sun, but squeezed into a sphere just a few miles across. As it approaches the Oort Cloud, the vast shell of icy comets at the edge of our solar system, all hell would break loose. The black hole's gravity would act like a cosmic slingshot, flinging trillions of comets directly toward the inner solar system. Earth would be subjected to a bombardment unlike anything in its history. We'd see hundreds, maybe thousands of new shooting stars every single night. It would be a beautiful, but deadly, light show. The impacts would be catastrophic, leading to global tsunamis, earthquakes, and a cosmic winter that would block out the sun, threatening all life. And this is just the beginning. As the black hole moves closer, past the orbits of Neptune and Uranus, its gravitational influence would become even more pronounced. These ice giants would be tugged from their ancient paths. Their orbits would become wildly elliptical, or they could even be ejected from the solar system entirely, sent hurtling into the lonely darkness of interstellar space. Their moons would be scattered like marbles. Now, let's bring it closer to home. What about Jupiter and Saturn? These gas giants are the guardians of the inner solar system. Jupiter's immense gravity has protected Earth for billions of years by gobbling up or deflecting dangerous asteroids and comets. But against a black hole, Jupiter is powerless. The black hole's gravity would engage in a cosmic tug-of-war with our Sun. The planets would be caught in the middle. The stable, predictable orbits we rely on would be gone. One by one, the planets would be pulled into new, chaotic paths. Saturn's magnificent rings would be torn apart, its icy particles either swallowed by the black hole or flung across the solar system. Earth's fate would be sealed long before a direct collision. Our orbit would become dangerously unstable. We might be pulled into an extreme elliptical path, taking us scorching hot, close to the sun, and then swinging us out into the freezing depths of space. The seasons would become meaningless. One part of the year could see oceans boil, and the next could see them freeze solid. Life as we know it simply couldn't survive such extremes. Even worse, the black hole could capture Earth and make us its own personal planet. We'd be torn away from the life-giving warmth of our Sun, becoming a rogue, frozen world orbiting a dark monster. Or, we could be flung out of the solar system altogether, destined to wander the galaxy as a dark, cold, and dead planet. And what about the Sun itself? If the black hole got close enough, it would start siphoning off the Sun's outer layers. We'd see a stream of superheated gas, a glowing tendril of plasma, stretching from our Sun and spiraling into the black hole. This process creates an accretion disk, a swirling vortex of matter that heats up to millions of degrees, releasing intense X-rays and radiation. This radiation would be lethal, sterilizing any life that might have miraculously survived on Earth. Eventually, the black hole would consume more and more of the Sun. The Sun would be distorted, torn apart, until nothing was left. The heart of our solar system would be extinguished. Now, let's scale up. What if it wasn't a stellar mass black hole, but a supermassive one, like Sagittarius asterisk at the center of our galaxy? Well, in that case, the story is much shorter. We wouldn't even have time to worry about comets or planetary orbits. The sheer gravitational force of a supermassive black hole would be so immense that the entire solar system would be swallowed whole, almost in an instant. The Sun, the planets, everything we've ever known, would simply be pulled in and consumed. The process of being pulled into a black hole is called spaghettification. The gravitational pull on the part of an object closer to the black hole is so much stronger than the pull on the part farther away. This difference in force would stretch any object, including our planet and even our own bodies, into long, thin strands like spaghetti. It's a gruesome, but fascinating, and so, could this actually happen? The good news is, it's incredibly unlikely. Space is vast, and the chances of a rogue black hole wandering into our specific corner of the galaxy are astronomically small. The nearest known black hole is over 1,500 light-years away. And it's not headed in our direction. Our solar system is a place of beautiful, delicate balance. A cosmic dance that has allowed life to flourish on our small blue dot. The arrival of a black hole would be the ultimate disruption, a reminder that the universe is as terrifying as it is beautiful. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? It makes you appreciate the quiet stability we enjoy orbiting our calm, predictable star. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this cosmic journey as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of our universe. What other cosmic what-ifs keep you up at night? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.